Alright guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a game in 2025. Yeah, let's get started. So first you're going to make a folder. You're going to name it whatever you want your game to be. So, Henry jumps off a cliff. Perfect. Now you can open up that folder, right? You're going to make a txt file. And this is going to be your code, okay? This is gonna be your code. So death screen. So if Henry jumps off cliff, show death screen. Okay, now yes, and then you're going to make another you're gonna make another folder that's game. We're gonna save this folder for later. Yeah, so you're gonna bring up what you want your death screen to look like. So I'm just gonna bring up a little template here. You can make whatever you want. So yeah, feel free to do whatever. Make sure that it's a .jpg or png, just like that. Hold on, I gotta name it. Death.png. Cool. Now you're just gonna save that. And now you're gonna bring up what you want your guy to look like. This guy looks cool. Cool. Now we're gonna bring up the other file exploration window. Now we're gonna have pictures here. Now that we have all this, we're going to put another folder that says death, and we're going to put everything in that folder. Oh god. Okay, I'll just drag it individually. Oh, sorry. Wrong folder. Do not put it in there. Don't do what I did. Death.png goes in death. God dang it. Death screen also goes in there. This picture, this will just texture. Now we're just gonna put that in there, right? So now game, you've been wondering what game is. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna make a text document. It's gonna be called whatever you want your game to be called again. So Henry. Oh, make sure to not use spaces, use underscores. It'll count as underscore. It'll count as a space. And make sure you're going to come in here, right? You're going to name it or you're gonna type in it and make sure to use asterisks. Insert exe file here, asterisk. Okay, perfect. Now you have a game, right? You're gonna rename it. You're going to put in exe, and now you're going to make a shortcut, which will be here somewhere. Here it is. Create shortcut. Game. Now I'm just gonna call it game, right? You're gonna move it all the way back to here. But now you're going to give it an icon. So change icon. Okay, so this will bring up the list of icons. You can also make a custom one up here. But for me, I'm just going to use one of these default ones. So, I'll do the X. Here we go. Because I think it's cool. Now you're gonna refresh. So now you have the death screen and the death code. Now you have the game, which is the game. Now you have the texture of the guy, and I have the shortcut. So make a desktop shortcut. You can close this off. Here it is. Here's your game. We'll just drag it all over here. And now for the moment of truth, guys. Here's your game. Oh, editor, cut that out.